Before you call a roofer or invite one into your house, you probably have the same questions most folks do. What happens during an inspection? What's this going to cost me? Do I even need to stick around? Let me answer those right now. Hey, I'm Jon Cataldi with Equity Roofing. I know roofing can feel like one of those big, confusing home projects. So let's sit down for a few minutes and walk through the things that really matter. What happens during an inspection? Whether a repair or a replacement makes sense, what it costs, how warranties work, and how to pay for it. Let's start with the inspection itself. It's free, no strings attached. Takes about an hour, maybe an hour and a half. While we're there, we're up on your roof checking shingles, flashing, everything. Sometimes we'll use a drone to get angles we can't see from a ladder, and if it makes sense, we'll pop into the attic to look for leaks or structural issues that aren't visible from the outside. Should you be home? If you can, yeah, because when we're done, we're gonna walk through what we found. We'll show you photos, videos, all of it. You're not just taking our word for anything, you'll see exactly what we're seeing. And if there's something that needs fixed, we'll ask if you want us to put together an estimate right then and there. We can talk through the timeline, the cost, your options. That way you leave knowing where things stand instead of waiting days for a callback. So let's say we do find something. The question becomes, do you patch it or replace the whole roof? Honestly, it depends on how much life your roof has left. If it's still got years in it, a repair makes sense. But if it's already near the end, you might end up paying for the same fix twice or 3 times, and that adds up really fast. We'll shoot straight with you about what makes sense for your situation, and if you want to go deeper on this, we've got a full video that breaks down repair versus replacement. Worth checking out if you're weighing both options. Now let's talk money. For repairs, it really depends on what needs fixed. A small leak might run you a few $100. Replacing damaged shingles, usually $300 to $800. Depending on how much area we're covering, if we're working on flashing around a chimney or skylight, that's typically more, somewhere in the $500 to $1,500 range. Every situation's different, so we'll break it down once we see what we're dealing with. For a full replacement, here's what most families around here see. A standard home, about 1,700 square feet with a simple roof, is somewhere between $12,000 to $16,000. A more complex roof with angles and valleys, somewhere in the $14,000 to $18,000 range. Bigger or more detailed homes, $20,000 to $30,000. What pushes those numbers around? Your material choice. Standard shingles versus something upgraded. The size of your roof, how complex it is. Lots of peaks and valleys take more labor. And how easy is it for the crew to access? If you can't get a boom truck back there and guys are carrying bundles by hand, that adds time. Then you've got add-ons, chimneys, and skylights. Take extra work because the flashing gets complicated. If we need to replace old decking underneath, or if there are multiple layers of old shingles we have to tear off, that'll bump the price up too. Here's where we're different. No surprise fees. Permits are already in your quote. Small decking fixes, under 5 pieces. We just handle it. And when it's time to actually do the work, most roofs take 1 to 3 days from start to finish. You're not living under tarps for weeks. If the damage came from a storm, hail, wind, that kind of thing, there's a good chance your homeowner's insurance will cover at least part of it. We'll help you walk through the process. But if it's not an insurance thing and you're thinking, I wasn't really planning to spend 15 grand right now, financing can help. We work with lenders who can break into the monthly payments that actually fit your budget. We've also got a full guide on our blog that goes through financing options, interest rates, what to watch out for, all that. I'll put the link up so you can dive into it. Look, trust really boils down to honesty. You need someone who's going to tell you the truth about what's going on with your roof. A good roofer doesn't dodge your questions or bury fees in the fine print. They don't pressure you into deciding on the spot. Instead, they show you exactly what's happening with your roof through photos and videos. One of the smartest questions you can ask, what kind of warranty comes with this? Not all warranties are the same. Some only cover the shingles. Some only cover the installation. The best ones cover both. So if something goes wrong, you're not stuck in the middle between the manufacturer and your roofer trying to figure out who's responsible. Here's why it matters. A solid warranty does 2 big things. It protects your home's value. If you ever sell, buyers want to know the roof's covered. That peace of mind matters, especially in a competitive market. It protects your budget long term. When storms roll through or heavy snow piles up, you don't want surprise repair bills. A good warranty keeps those costs predictable. At Equity Roofing, our warranties cover both materials and workmanship, so you know exactly who to call if something comes up and you know your investment's protected for years down the road. All right, so now you've got the answers most homeowners are looking for. What's next? Get that free inspection on the calendar. Head to our website and fill out the online form. We'll inspect your roof, show you exactly what we find, and walk you through your options together. It's as simple as that. Thanks for spending time with me today to learn more about your roof. I'm Jon Cataldi with Equity Roofing. Check out some of our articles on our website at equityroofs.com. Next stop, a better roof.